SolidWorks Composer is a really great tool which allows you to quickly and easily create images that can be used in work instructions or whatever you would like. Let's see just how easy that is. I'm going to start by setting up the background to look just the way I'd like it. It's got that grid and the ground effect going. I can change that by going to the Render tab and clicking the ground button. This controls the grid, the mirror, the shadow, and the texture that's on the ground. Now I'd like to remove the gradient in the background and set it to be just plain white. It's got the background color and the foot color. If I set the foot color to white, it will do a gradient from white to white, making everything just plain white. To save an image, it's as simple as clicking the Create View button. I now have my first view saved. I can change my orientation around, choose one that I like. Maybe I'll work with this right orientation, and I will save another view. Now when I double click on view 1, it jumps back to my original view and saved all of that information. Some other things we might want to do are creating some exploded views. So I can translate any of my components by going to the Transform tab and selecting the Translate tool. I can then save views of each of those new locations. Let's create another translation here, pull the batteries out of this, and pan this to look a little bit better, and save another view. I now have several views created, and I can switch between them, and we see it remembers the location and orientation of all of the components in each view. What I want to do now is save all of these views out as images. So I can go to my Workshops tab, select the High Resolution Images workshop, go to the Multiple tab within that and select Views, and go to Save As. Now it will save each view the name of my current assembly underscore the name of the view. So I'll just create a new folder to put these in. And I will save all of those views. Now when I navigate to that location, we'll see that I have a JPEG saved of each one of those images that I've just created.